What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Thank you for joining me on another Let It Burn video. Now, remember, all of these videos on this channel burn Shiba Inu. So we're going to burn with this video, the next video, the live stream, super chats, every type of revenue that comes into this channel. We're burning it all off. We're buying Shiba Inu and we're sending it to the burn wallet. So if you want to support that, if you want to be a part of this, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Let everybody know that we're doing this. Send this to people on Twitter, tweet it out, send it to Shiba Inu Reddits, everywhere that you can put it so that we can burn off as much Shiba Inu as possible, because this movement is getting stronger and stronger by the day, and I want to accelerate that. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. What we're going to do today is we're going to go through Shiba Inu, the price action, maybe a little bit of technical analysis as we go through different points, because a lot of people keep on asking me, is it going to find a way to decrease lower and past that 2000 level, that 0.000002000 level? So we're definitely going to look into that today, and just give my overall opinion. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. Also, I have my BTD link down there, buy the dip coin, which I think is a really good way of burning off SHIB as well, because we're burning off, every month we're going to burn off SHIB there as well. So feel free to, buy that coin and hold on to it, because that's exactly what we're doing. So first, let's get started with the price action really quick. So what we're going to look at here is we're looking at Shiba Inu on Coinbase. And see where things are, just from a hour, day look, weekly look, monthly look, yearly look, overall, all of that stuff. And then I'll give my perspective on maybe a little bit of a technical analysis and different levels that I do see there. So currently the price is at 0.00003100, almost 3200. We did see a little bit of a dip today because of the overall inflation number that we did see that hit the crypto market kind of hard. Not like crazy hard to where it's down 20%, but it's down about 3% today, which is a significant hit to the overall crypto market. And see some that are actually at a level to where they're decreasing by 7%, 8%, 9%, or even some that I see at 11%. So the crypto market was definitely hit a little bit. But if we look at the last hour, we're down about 1% in the last day. We're down 6% last week. It's actually, let's go back to this. Yeah, down 6%. In the past week, we're up 53%. That's good to see. The past month, we're up 17. I'm always thinking that we're down. We're up 18%, 17.67%. The last year, 316,000%, and overall we're up about 2.1 million% from the beginning, from it all starting at these levels. So we're definitely at a good spot. Great to see that it did increase and rose 50% in the last week. But if we look at the typical hold time, that did stay the same from yesterday. We do see that changing. Instead of every day, we're seeing it like every other day, that we are seeing it change from 77 to 78 to 79. We wanted to get up to 80 plus to show that we are holding this for quite a long time. We do have the circulating supply around the same. Popularity is 10th. We are looking at the market cap and keeping track of that to see if we can find a way to surpass that $20 billion mark and hold above 30 billion. I want it to be up in that $50 billion mark, because if we get up to 50 billion, we are losing a zero there. So that's what I want, is to obviously lose a zero. You might end up having people sell at some of those levels, thinking that we're going to see a very strong resistance, which is definitely possible. But it's good to see that we are actually having some positive moves throughout the week. I just hope Friday is actually good as well. Now, what I did want to look at was going into coin market cap and going into the Shiba Inu holders to see if we have any new holders, or if we're up on the amount of holders. We are up about 0.12%, up to 1.168 million Shiba Inu holders is what it says here. Now, I want to let you know that if we had on like Robinhood, if we had on Webull, because right now Webull basically has it all lumped into one wallet. if it was all into separate wallets, separate addresses, I feel like you would see this up in the level of 2 to 3 million Shiba Inu holders, which is definitely a good deal. And then obviously, if Robinhood was on the train as well, we would see something pretty big there, as long as they did have individual wallets. So we have an increase in holders. That's good to be able to see there. A bunch of transactions, all that stuff. Let's go into the trading view information. So this is where I want to start really reviewing a lot of cryptocurrency, because I don't have any type of real charting to do that. And we can put different indicators. I usually put a 15 moving average with things and a 200 EMA, which we will get into at another point. I don't know why I'm getting blown up right now with a ton of messages, just way too many. But yeah, right now where we're standing, if we wanted to look at where we are, we did see a low point here of about 16 or 1700. So we're at 0.0000 1700 or 1600. And people keep asking me, are we going to find a way to, or are we going to get back to these levels? Is there a way that we could pull back down and come back to these levels? Yes, there is a way that we can come back down to those levels. However, I think we will not surpass those levels. These pieces right here will, because we saw a massive drop in the crypto market. Unless we start seeing a massive crypto winter, and we see the overall markets, everything, stock market, crypto market, every market decide to fall drastically, then yes, that could possibly happen. But with normal movement, normal progression, I do not see this coming down to these levels. And that level is at its lowest point. I think that is pretty much the lowest point, and we will not see an adding a zero anytime soon. I don't think that will ever happen again. I think we're set to where we'll never add another zero again, because the amount of holders, the amount of people that actually support it and believe in this long term, right? Me being one of them. So where we're looking at here, we're basically looking at this point right here. We see this top right here. We see these touch points, and basically looking at the 3,500 level, that as a strong level of resistance. And we did see that get up to the 3,500 level, and it resisted kind of hard from that and dropped down to where it's around 3,000. Now, can it drop below 3,000? Yes, I think it can drop below 3,000, and we might see it create instead of, just looking at this creating a double bottom here, I think what we're going to see is it creating a higher low and then another higher high, basically finding this touch point of 4,000 and then finding another touch point of maybe 5,000 or so, 5,500, and then finding its way to move up as we start to burn off more and more coins, as these channels, because there are multiple channels, or a couple of channels actually, that are out there that are burning off their revenue. As we start to push these channels, as we have gaming that's out there, as we have normal people or whales that decide to sell off their crypto, their not sell off their crypto, but burn their Shiba Inu, we're going to see a massive impact to the price, to where the price starts to rise, because demand either stays the same or increases. I can see nothing but positivity here in this position as we are moving forward. Now, like I said, we are closer to the highs here in this little section here than we are towards the lows. So do I expect it to creep down to this level? I don't. Do I expect it to come down a little bit? I actually do, basically creating that higher low and then creating another higher high, in my opinion. So that's where I stand with it. Let me know what you think about it. Hopefully you watched all the way until the end, because every ad counts when it comes to the revenue. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this channel. We will burn off every single month. Every time we get paid from YouTube, we will burn off Shiba Inu, every single month. So again, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.